Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert an image field to a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF form and go form option, and here you will find this image field option. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor to your image field anywhere. As this image field now created, and press right button and select properties dialog box. You can change image field name, appearance, border color, and border thickness, so on. Now select close option and select hand option. Image field now created. Now click on this image and insert an image. Type your file name here or click on this browse option and insert your image. Okay, and this is image now inserted, and select hand option. Yeah, our image now uploaded, and finally select this file option. Save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and